Hey everybody, so I got a quick paint haul. You can also be considered a tool haul from Walmart. I ran out of primer on the last on the 2005 Ford frame project. So just stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is going to be a quick video. I ran to Walmart because I ran out of the primer. The 1 can of primer I bought, I underestimated how much primer I was going to need. And it was like a coat and a half on everything that I got. I needed 2 coats. I picked up 4 more cans. They didn't have any more. They said they'll get some more on tomorrow. So I'll go back and get some more if need be. I'll probably pick some up anyways. But they didn't have these yesterday or the day before when I bought the black and the green and everything else. So I picked up 6 of these red. I have an idea of what project I can use them on. You guys will find out eventually what that project is for. I got a couple other paint projects coming up. The green is going on the shop press. I'm not sure if it's going to be the gloss hunter green or the satin hunter green yet. I guess just figure whatever mood I'm in, or maybe I like the satin look better. Haven't figured it out. I want it to look like an old industrial machine for the shop press, which is why I went with green. But yeah, this is a quick little video. It's, you know, I'm unbagging because I took it out of the bag. I love how this primer laid on the frame. So I would definitely recommend this primer. It came out nice and smooth. Looks really good with the amount of coats I got. I'm probably gonna put, you know, a little bit extra on it. I have a project in mind for this. I may not use red, but it's not going to hurt to have the red anyways. I like red. Appreciate your guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links. Comments, criticisms down below. I appreciate you guys watching, your time, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.